Hey everybody, today on Henry's Tattoos, I'm going to show you how to make spicy chicken fries. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'll be doing this recipe based on 2 chicken breast fillets. So the first thing we're going to do is clean these up, make sure there's no traces of bones, blood, and we'll try and cut all the fat off as well. Now the next thing we're going to do is cut these in half. So just straight through the middle with a sharp knife. And straight out, just like that. And all we're going to do is very thinly slice this, just like that. Alright, next to our chicken we'll start by adding in about a pinch of salt, about 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, and just a couple of cracks of black pepper. And we'll just mix that together. Alright guys, so next we'll set up our station. So what I've got here is 2 whole eggs. To this I'm just going to add about 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. And we're going to mix this together. And that'll be our egg wash. And here we've just got 1 cup of plain flour. And finally just over here we have 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Now we're going to season this. So we'll start with 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and finally we'll add 1 teaspoon of dried chili flakes. Now give that a good mix. Alright guys, so the process here is pretty simple. We're going to get individual pieces of our chicken, place it straight into our flour, get it well coated, then straight into our egg wash, and make sure that's well coated or else the crumbs won't stick, then straight into the breadcrumbs, and make sure it's well covered. And that's all there is to it. So we're just going to repeat this with all our chicken. In the meantime, we'll start to preheat our deep fryer to 170 degrees Celsius. Alright, so we'll move on to our deep fryer now. And we're going to do this in about 3 batches. Just carefully place it all in. Now don't go overcrowding the basket because they'll start to stick to each other. We don't want that. And all we want to do is just move them around, make sure they're not sticking to each other. Now these should take around 2 to 3 minutes to cook. Alright, and after about 3 minutes you'll notice they'll start to slowly come up. That indicates they're cooked all the way through. So we'll take out the basket and we'll just place them into a bowl lined with some baking paper. And we just want to continue cooking all of them. Alright, and there we have it. I've just served it up with some simple barbecue sauce. And that's all there is to it. Just have to listen to that crunch. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.